Mason, I feel like we're walking into a wrestling tournament.
I know, right?
What's up, guys? Today I have a special one for you. The squad and I found ourselves attending a 5v5 Milsim tournament, so basically what that means is we're playing competitive Siege IRL. How this works is each game is composed of 3 rounds, one team will attack while the other defends, and swap between rounds. First team to win 2 rounds will progress to the next phase in the tournament. However, if you lose, this is a double elimination bracket, so once you lose twice, you're packing up your bags and going home. All that being said, we'll be playing a variety of game modes such as hostage rescue, HVT extraction, and elimination, to list a few. This first game of the day, Onymless will be defending against Father Matthew's Alterboys in HVT extraction. Let's do this.
Hey, two go on that stairs, 2 on this stairs. Hey, they're coming down over here!
You want me over there? Nope.
He's in this very right room. One down on the left, one in the right doorway. Who's with me right now?
I'm here.
Copy. Copy.
Mason, what about this one to the right?
I don't know.
I'm watching it for you right now.
Copy.
I don't know if they have it down for you.
No, they can't. They can't cross through the buildings. Hey, Jaden. That room. I want you to move in there and watch up the stairs. I'm gonna watch this room on the right.
Do they have it down from here?
They have one downed right here and they have a stair. Jaden, cross.
Yep, go on.
No limit to Kelzar, sit rep.
The fuck is that?
Bad copy, bad copy. You need people to move to you?
Mike's down.
Jaden, hold this. Mike, where? Oh, never mind, no, you're dead. Mike, move back to Jaden. Kelzar, where are you taking hits from? Are they down it yet or not? Dig in. Rookie, move to them. Game over! Yeah, this is gonna be the difficult one.
Alright, now you're gonna take it and you're gonna like it, buddy. There's no complaining. It's time for the initiative.
Do you want to do it then? You got more mags. He's gonna sit right there. Me and you are gonna try to
What
book
do you
it
have, 6
downstairs.
mags?
We're gonna move and shoot.
I mean, we could trade. Are we just all going down?
You're gonna sit right here,
Are we all
and you're
going
going to tend to both Michael and Kelzar until we get make more progress down there.
Are you going in front of Chris?
No, Chris is gonna go first. He's going to lay it down. We're going around him and down.
Into that little.
And then where are we going?
Okay.
We're gonna try to book into that right room.
Well, it makes.
3, 2, 1, go!
Game on! Game on! Oh, catch hit!
Drag him up, drag him up. Hit!
Who's that? Mason?
Yeah.
You got something? No. Alright, got this. No.
All right, plan B, work our angles. Sauerkraut, moving to you.
Come on, you want me to stay here?
Yeah, stay with them.
I have nothing.
Copy. Fucking contacts.
Want me to frag it?
Go for it, yeah. Hold on, hold on.
No one.
Do it. Far right, far right.
Copy. That's MG.
Yeah. He's picking up Kel's spot. It's like a rust turret.
My side, my side.
Give me some breathing room. Try, take it.
That was close.
That was a little too close. No!
Chris, what's it, right? Fuck. I was looking.
See him. Got him. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Breakthrough on this side, breakthrough on this side. Clear! Sir, move right! We can... Clear. Clear! Check for entrances!
What's up?
Close.
Is that one close?
Jason.
Yeah!
Good.
Yeah, move down here!
EMP.
Close.
Not yet!
Hold me. Hold.
Sour! On me!
On you.
Watch that way.
Got it.
Stage is closed. Tell him to move VIP down.
What's up?
Is it clear?
Move it!
Hold that side.
Straight down the hall! I see the exit!
Copy!
He moved left to right! Reloading!
Down at the very end!
dry. Hold on.
Come out.
We did just move on them. Hey, I'm gonna set. You gotta move. Ready. That's right. That's right. Set. I'm out. I'm out. Hey, get VIP up. Go through the gym. Sour, still on the right!
Left two, left two.
Fucking. Sour, we just gotta move. Where's VIP?
Right here. He's with us.
Copy. Is Jaden up?
Yep.
Jaden, on us! On you. Keep moving, keep moving.
Go, 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 go. He's it. Let's go. Hurry back.
Chill, chill, you're knocking over.
It's clear, it's clear.
Let's go!
Move him, move the VIP!
Go, 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 go. Get out, get out, get out.
After absolutely crushing the first game, we progress forward on the bracket, now facing off against TF13. Being the owner of the field's team, these guys will be the most familiar with the field and also fairly organized, meaning we will have to be more careful and vigilant in this upcoming game.
Hey, remember basic CQB, gentlemen.
Clear your corner, check your corners.
You're not going to be in front, so if you are pushing something, you're doing it wrong. 3, 2, 1! Bathroom clear. Clear.
Clear the down that hallway.
Clear. Start moving. Brad! Take it fire.
Yep.
Seems like they're far. One's probably tucked around this corner though. Hey, we got one down. Hey, he's low to the right somewhere. One straight down. Atmospheric.
Chris, where's Michael? Right here. Okay.
Hey, let's punch on this side.
You set the timer, right? You set the timer, right? minutes, 30 seconds remaining.
Try. He's sitting behind a barricade on the left.
Boom, it'd be better.
At 5, we're gonna split off.
Fuck it, I say we do it now.
Stay here with them. No, over to Kelzar. Me and Mike are gonna split off and give you guys some room. Hit!
One minute. One minute.
Is shower shooter up here? Yeah, send it my way. Send it down here.
Hit! That was a fucking rough one.
Yeah, that was hard.
We'll get the defense next round, so just load up and go back at it. Chris, where are these angles you're talking about?
I can see the last word. It's fine. Just stop white.
About 10 seconds now.
Hey, 10 seconds! Lock in!
10 seconds.
Hey, Jaden, this room.
Yeah, I know. Where do we want him?
On this side somewhere, don't get shot.
And going. Going back entrance. 3, 4.
Well, that was easy. Now that the game is tied up, we're going to have to win an attack round to progress in the bracket. This will be no easy task, but that hasn't deterred us in the past.
I didn't see anything either. Clear. 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 Give me up, give me up.
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm dry.
Who you want to throw it? You want me to throw it?
He's in the cafe.
Cafe?
Hold on, hold.
Wait.
2 minutes! 2 minutes! Up.
I'm moving into here.
Yep. There's gonna be a guy.
I know.
Ready?
Yeah.
Fuck this.
Hey, Cal. You guys move in, we're moving in the side.
Copy.
You're coming with us.
1, 30. What are we doing?
Mike, on you. You take point. No, move after. It's blocked off. We gotta keep moving.
Push it open.
1 minute!
We need to go straight in. We got a minute. Let's fucking run the rabbit. They're gonna be on that left. We just gotta go.
I'm dry. I'm fucking down. All guns are down.
It's probably not gonna. Hey, Mike, we just gotta go, bro.
30 seconds.
Fucking not shooting.
Yeah, it's fucking busted. Let me get it.
Mike!
He's out.
We got
Go.
Hit! Guess gonna go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over.
A very unfortunate loss. In this clip here, you can see that Rookie was just seconds away from where their HVT was located. We may have lost the game, however, we're not out yet. In this next match, we'll be playing against the Alterboys again. However, just because we won the first time doesn't mean they won't have a few tricks up their sleeves.
Game on, game on.
This room's clear. Clear in here. Cool. All right, we're gonna have to pick them one by one.
Well, we gotta have to go around to get to the other side.
What do you mean?
To get to the other door, you have to go around.
No, we can go upstairs.
Oh, we can go upstairs. Yeah.
You want to attempt the upstairs though?
I think this is gonna be our best way in. We have two entrances. We only have one entrance over there.
But
I'm talking
they
about if
had
you want to go
the
into
MG
the other gym entrance.
If they had the
behind the
MG
tarp.
posted up there, it's just gonna be watching these two fucking entrances.
Well, let's get these. Let's take one of these guys out and decide from there.
Just tell me when.
When?
Well, you guys.
I see one. I think I hit him in the shoe.
They're not actual people.
Hey, I need another guy over here. I just need a guy with a light. Watch that guy. Get your light on that pillar. Yeah, that's straight one. Dry.
Straight ahead. I don't know if we got them or not.
Hey! Go for it.
Mason!
Yeah!
Mason, I need somebody else to get on.
One. Yeah.
There's one. So when you peek, he's like kind of between the bleachers and the wall, and then there's one on the between the announcer station and the right side wall, and then there's one on the announcer station, one or two.
Copy. I'm taking fire here. I need somebody to move on that opposite angle.
Jason, can you move on that?
Hit!
Unfortunately for me, that was my second down, meaning I'm out for the game. The Alterboys were dug in very well, and the room being shrouded in darkness made it very difficult to advance. Moving on to round 2, we decided to take up an easy spot from last game.
Bro, the smoke in here.
How evil would it be if we placed them right there? I'm thinking we stick one, like literally right in front here, so they get killed. And I think we stick one in here, so if they try to shoot down. What the fuck are you doing in here?
I'm fixing this. They fucking barricaded it.
Alright, welcome to class. I'm gonna be your instructor today.
Who wants to do this? Who wants to go like this?
That's my assistant. I don't know what the fuck I'm teaching. He's the one that has the entire itinerary.
All right, so today we're teaching executions. Perfect. All right, you are coming this way, and you're going to sit.
Force the lock in for the final.
You're gonna sit in this chair. We're gonna move this chair over here.
Oh, Mason.
Actually, we're gonna give you this desk.
Joe.
Here you go. There's your little seat right there. Game on! One down. He's in that dark room. Thank you, Jaden.
Get out of the way.
Hey, that's an easy end.
That was the win we needed. Now that we're tied up, we must win one more attack round to progress in the tournament. The pressure is on.
I just hear fucking Chris. Do. Dang. That was evil. That was actually fucking evil.
We have all 5 of you.
Is it recorded?
Yakub time.
Is it recording?
Waterfalls. 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 Waterfalls.
I'm gay. I'm so gay. I'm gayer than. Yeah, you're recording. I'm gayer than you. Listen, gentlemen, we go in like we always do, and if they're in that fucking room, then we're gonna fucking take that room. I think once we can confirm it's Jim, we take our full unit, we loop around, make sure it's clear, and then we split. 3 on one side, 2 on the other side. That way, if one person gets down, we can run Rookie through the top.
Are we going upstairs or are we going around?
We're gonna clear it, and if we see him in the gym, we're gonna call, okay, it's in the gym.
Dude, I hear them in the gym.
Yeah, I can hear them moving shit.
Yeah. Should we just start?
Okay, you two go that. You go with them. Me and Cal will go in this way.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Eight minutes.
You guys need to start making noise. Al? I think I took 2 out. Hit.
Hit.
Rookie, rotate over. We need you to get Kel up.
Hey, there's a hostage in front of the grandstand, all black. Hostage in front of the grandstand, all black.
Hey! Trade.
Refs crossing through, refs crossing through, refs.
Straight ahead, there's a blue trash can. There's a guy hiding behind it.
We die again, we're KIA, so you go back over there and help them. Hey, one on this cover close. I don't see any on top. You killed one.
Good?
I heard hit.
I killed one.
Jaden killed one.
Killed the grandstand.
Oh, I think I see one.
Oh, sorry. Hey, that guy on that blue trash can's dead.
Copy.
Yeah, hey, there's 2 in the back.
Hey, MG's lower. He's peeking low on the stage.
Peyton, where back? Far right, far left.
Killed one. Reloading.
Behind white truck can.
Hey, behind this white fucking bleacher.
Can we move yet? Can you?
Hey, MG's.
MG on grandstand.
MG's on the right. He's still up. Careful not to shoot the hostage.
Hey, behind blue trash can!
Is he not dead?
He's dead.
Is he?
The left one or the right one?
The left one.
He's dead.
All right, we got one left MG grandstand.
Kel, if we might just need to push in.
Crossing.
Try. Hey, Kel, that fucking white thing, there's a guy behind it.
He's behind the grandstand.
Oh, sorry, my bad, my bad.
Hey, one left. Go.
2 minutes.
Go, team.
Hit!
And with that, we managed to win the tournament. Now, if you're confused on how we won since TF13 has yet to be eliminated, 2 of their players had to dip out, so we were offered a deal to split the pot and be given first place. As lame as that might sound, we very much look forward to our rematch with TF13 in the next Alexandria tournament. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage as much as I did recording and editing it for you guys. We had an absolute blast with this event and look forward for the next one. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, sub, and comment your favorite round. And don't leave just yet, as I still have some silly clips from the open play that followed this game.
Yeah, get your card.
Right here, right here.
I see them.
I'm moving across. We're doing this. Walking over.
Get your hands up! Hands up!
Show me your fucking hands!
Hands off the shotgun!
Show me your hands!
Come on, move forward!
I can't tell, honestly.
Gun is in the holster. Do you want it? Will that make you more comfortable?
No.
Okay.
Detain him in that room.
Why you guys leave me the shower shitter?
Damn, this is a fucking Hispanic, what the fuck?
Edit was the one who fired at you guys.
Edit fucking shot at us. Let's go fucking get him, boys.
Where is he?
We should have the knife fight.
You're the sheriff, right?
We should have them.
Oh, man. God damn.
Who shot who first? I don't know.
You did kill me.
8-ball. 8-ball. 8-ball.
Alrighty.
8-ball. 8-ball.
All right, Lonnie, to make it up, you're gonna be the first one in the talent show, okay? Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna stand in the middle circle there, and then we're gonna give you a command, and you're gonna like do it.
I'm gonna have to throw it back, aren't I?
Oh.
My talent is putting that breastplate on my ass.
Who's putting what?
Okay, yeah. You gotta put it up your ass.
I don't know if it's big. It don't fit.
All right, rattle him, boys. We're just being evil and freaky.
Would it be funny if I just shot him because I felt like it?
Did you kill it? Oh, you fucking prick. Oh, you could have at least aimed for padding.
Hey, what?
You could have at least aimed for padding.
I meant to shoot you in the bag.
No, you got me in the backpack.
You shot me in the back.